Now, some of y'all may be asking, why am I going on a little nature walk right now? Well, I'm at a site right now, and saw something a little bit funny. So, got the AT&T box right there. We've got these two little lines. What could these lines be? And what could they be going to? Just laid here on the vehicle road. Well, let's find out. And I can tell you for a matter of fact, this is the second time they've replaced these because they keep on getting cut because, they're laid on a rock road that vehicles go through, usually big heavy trucks. Okay, we got some lines going here. Oh, hey, they're going into the shelter. What could the shelter be? Yeah. Sure. Yeah, that's safe. My guess is that's either a T1 or E&M loop circuit, because I know for some reason they still use E&M circuits places. But yeah, no, there you go. Goes right into that box right there. So, I guess welcome to America's aging ATC infrastructure. See y'all.